Alright guys, in order to change our door lock actuator, the first thing we got to do is remove this door panel. I'm not going to do it on this video. So what I want you to do is go down in the comment in the description below, click on the link, and there's a link to a video on us removing this door panel. And once you check that video out, come on back so we can continue on. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Of course you did. I did it. Alright, let's continue on. Alright, first of all, we're going to start disconnecting, moving our harness out of the way. Now, you got your harness going to your actuator right here. Now, there's going to be a clip on the top, a little tab on the top, and there's going to be a little tab on the bottom. Let me get my little screwdriver. I'm going to show you what I mean here. This little tab right here, see how that squeezes down? There's going to be one on the top, and there's going to be one on the bottom. Pull those in at the same time. Probably better off getting using the screwdriver for this one down here and this one up there. And you want to unplug it just like that. Get your body panel pry bar. Start following the harness around. A little tape right here. You don't need that one. Go around here. Pop that out. Go around. Pop that out. Pop that out. Just lean that all the way to the side. Now, what you want to do, a lot of guys, you're going to see this vapor panel right here will be torn up into pieces because people don't know how to remove them. What you want to do is get you a nice sharp razor blade. Pull back on it, and what you want to do is let the razor blade cut along it's good. Matter of fact, a utility knife might be even better. And just go all the way around to bring, you want to go all this right here so you can fold this whole thing back. Alright, let's get that done. Alright guys, a little trick here. I just took the vapor barrier, swung it around, took a tie strap and tied it up to the harness right here. So this way it's out of the way. Now, the next thing, guys, let me get a light here. I need to show you. Let me see if a mirror will work. If you can look in the mirror.
Yeah, all I see is myself. That's not good.
Can you see?
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I see it.
You see there's a cable there with a white tip and a boot and then another white tip. Now what you're going to do here is pull those out. Let me see if I can reach in there. And these will just pull, snap out of place. Take both ends. Let's try to get the top one first. Okay, got the top one. Pop that out just like that. Now, further up, right up, you can see it there? Mm-hmm. There's a, you're gonna see something metal right there. Mm-hmm. That hooks into the door lock actuator, but it's gonna come out of there once we loosen this door actuator up. So what we're gonna do now is get you a T30, and you're gonna have three T30 bolts here. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so let's get those out. All right, we got all the screws out. It's still holding in place. This rod right here is just going to swing and come down, and this one right here is going to swing and come down. So what you're going to do now, it's got a little lip right here. So you want to make sure you back that up and come down, and as I said, it'll come right out of that groove right there. Wow. That came right off of there, huh? Huh, okay. Let's just get that off. Now, that thing at the top, that's all it did was stick right inside there. So, matter of fact, let's get the mirror and I'm gonna show you how it looks.
What? You got twisted. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
So that's all it does is push right in there. All right. Let's get our new one, because I'm going to just guide you guys on putting it back, and then the rest you're on your own. All right? All right, guys, we got our new one here. Now I'm just going to help you out here a little bit. Match them up. This rod right here, that's all it does. Just hold on to the actuator and it just pulls straight out. Just like that. Put it into the other one. Or you can put it in while it's in there. Make sure we're setting that thing right. Alright. This rod goes in here. Just like that. Okay. It's gonna go. Now this is where you have to go on the other side, and I'm not even sure if you're gonna be able to see this, but can you see in there?
Yeah.
That rod, that precipice has to go inside there, so you just want to line that, get that, and it's swivel, so you're good to go. And it's pretty easy once you get it up there like that. Look at that, lined right up perfectly. Let me make sure all my bolts are going to be lining up. Oh, get our cable out of the way. Make sure our cable is on the other side of that. Alright, now before we put that cable on, we're going to take our 3 screws and put them in there just by a few threads, just to keep our actuator steady. Alright, we got our screws started, and with that new there's a new sealer on it, this little gasket going around it. So it's gonna be kind of hard. You gotta like push it to line those screws up. Very good. Now to get this cable hooked up, there's an opening right on the top. Just hook it up to the opening, just like that. Bring this down, pull it down, bring it across, and it'll go lock right up in there, just like that. All right. Now you know the cable in the side over. Hook this up. And that will set inside grooves. Let me see, they got one right there. And then one at the bottom. I can't really see this, but there it is. You got that?
Yep.
You saw how good that was?
Yeah,
without even seeing it.
Alright.
Alright guys, there you have it. Tighten up the screws and put your door panel, everything back together. And it is cool. Alright, if you have any kind of comments or questions, be sure to post them in the comment section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Timmy and Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.